Hello everyone! Today we will make a simple Christmas card. We will need paints, watercolor or gouache. Let's get started! I tape the paper to make a triangle. Now I take the yellow color and draw different lines. Then I draw the lines in green, first with light, then with dark green, and wait for it to dry. Well, the drawing is dry. I remove the tape. And now I will decorate the tree. I have metallic paint. I really like it. I will draw circles with this paint. The card is ready. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.